So in the latest version of BluePrint Slicer by HeyGears, there is an option to take a pre-supported file and actually remove those supports from any pre-supported file. I'm using version 2.5.2 of BluePrint, and that function is in there. Let me show you how to do it. It's really simple. Select the model that you want to remove the supports from, choose Split in the left hand menu, click on the remove pre-supports and confirm, and it will start to do a little bit of processing in the background. It'll have a look at the file and it will do a little bit of wizardry and jiggery pokery to identify those supports. It may take a few minutes to do it, so be patient. Now when it's finished, you will notice this icon in the center. All you need to do is click on it and select continue. It will then do a little bit more jiggery pokery and it looks at all the list of the shells in it. In other words, each individual piece of the model that you want to take off. I like to keep things really simple, and all I'm going to do is press apply, and that will take off all the supports. Just keep it simple, let it do what it said it's going to do, and remove those files. And there you go, all the pre-supports are now off. So if you want to do something like you want to make it a little bit bigger, or you want to move it around, or you want to do anything with it, then you can do that. So let's just make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go. Now we want to just add some pre-supports in there. So all we need to do to add the pre-supports, as you do normally, select the model, select support, auto support. I'm going to go advanced settings, and in this setting here I'm going to change it to none, and then I'm going to tell it to generate the supports, and it is as simple as that. So what we've done in essence is removed the pre-supports that came with the file. We've added the wonderful HeyGears supports that are much better, and it means that if you want to rescale your model that's pre-supported, you don't want to have the supports go larger with it, so we're going to take them off and then re-support it using now look the much finer and, in my opinion, much better HeyGears supports. Hope you found that useful, greedy 3Ders. For more BluePrint and HeyGears tips, make sure you subscribe to Greedy 3D. See you next time.